Hey sis, listen, this is one of those pull up a chair, grab a notebook, and let's talk like we on FaceTime type of video because I'm about to walk you through the exact steps on how to set up your first digital product without overwhelm. Whether you are a stay at home mom, a 9 to 5 queen, or somewhere in between, you can really do this. And I'm going to show you how I started, what I'll do differently, and the mindset that helped me to make real money from home using simple digital products. Okay. Okay. So, first, let's clear something up. You don't need to be techie. You don't need a fancy website. You don't need 100 ideas or a big audience. What you do need is a solution that you can package and the willingness to actually start. Okay, you got to start. When I created my first digital product, which was many, many years ago, okay, it wasn't perfect. It was a PDF checklist. But guess what? It made sales. Okay. Because people don't need perfection. People don't need perfection. People don't need perfection. People don't need perfection. I keep saying that because you need to keep hearing it. People don't need perfection. People don't need perfection. People don't need perfection. They actually need help. They need simplicity and they need it from you. Yes, you. So go ahead and relax and take that pressure off. Okay. Because we're building a soft life business here. We're not building no stress filled empire. Not on my watch. We're not doing that. Mm-mm. Not over here. We're not doing that. I am not oblivious that everybody does not know what a digital product is. So let's talk about what is a digital product. A digital product is something someone can buy, they can download and use instantly. No shipping, no inventory, no chaos. Okay. I want you to think checklists, planners, some type of templates, journals, mini courses. Okay. But here's the best part. All you have to do is create it one time and sell it over and over again. But here's the really best part. You don't even really have to create it. Okay. You don't have to create it. There are products out here already created that you can add your name to them and you can brand them and you can sell them. That's what we call PLR, private label rights content. Yeah, it's that easy. That's what makes it such a powerful soft life income stream. It's that easy. Okay. Now let's talk about the simple 5 step setup. Okay. I'm going to walk you through this. Okay. So walk you through how to set up your first digital product step by step. Okay. You got your pen and your paper. You ready to go? Let's get it. Step number 1, choose your topic. So I want you to ask yourself, what do I know that could help someone else? It doesn't have to be deep. Simply solve it and sell. Okay. If you know how to budget, create a budget tracker. If you're a mom with a routine, share your routine on a Google Doc. Yes, that's simple. Okay. Ready for number 2? Let's go. Step number 2, decide the format. Okay. You can start with a simple PDF, checklist, or guide. You can go on Canva, get some type of template, or maybe even a digital planner. Okay, you choose what you are comfortable creating and what your people need. Step number 3, create it. Canva is your best friend. I wish I had Canva when I first started. But I want you to open up Canva, use a template, and start building. Don't overthink it. Don't overthink the fonts, the colors, all of that. Do that later. Focus on value. Okay. Again, you might want to look into PLR content. Okay. PLR content is great when you are stuck. Again, I have a resource down for you in the comments that's going, not in the comments, but in the description that's going to really help you to jumpstart this. Okay. It's a site that is called a Secret Weapon PLR. They have tons of these pre-made digital products everything is just there. It's beautiful. If you look on my YouTube channel, I talk about them a lot, and to take a peek on the inside. So yeah, just to give you that caveat in case you didn't know. Step 4, upload it to a platform. Okay, you got to sell it, right? You got to sell it to people. PayHip, Gumroad, Stand Store, Systeme, something simple, something free, and add your product image, add your description, upload your PDF file, set your price, and you are done. That's simple. Any tool that you use is simply the same. It's just a matter of what you choose, okay? Choose one that works best for you. I put them in the description. The ones that I listed are pretty much you can start for free. Okay, you can just use them for free and keep it moving. Get it done first and make some money, and you can get fancy later. Step number 5, you got to get it to the people. That means you gotta promote it. So share it softly. Talk about your product like you talk about it with a friend. If Instagram is your platform, show up on Instagram, YouTube. You're gonna be growing your email list, so tell people what it is. Tell them who it's for, how it's going to help them. Talk about that in your content, okay? Wherever you are most comfortable being to promote your content, okay? YouTube is my place. If you like doing videos like this, do YouTube, okay? Put in the description for them to purchase what it is that you have, okay? It's that simple. It's just rinse and repeat. It's just a matter of doing it every single day. Continue to do it every single day, consistently, because it's going to work, okay? And even when it does start working, don't stop. Okay, you get a little progress, don't stop. Keep going. Make this a way of life that you're selling this one digital product, just one. Okay, you don't need a whole line right now. Sell that one digital product and sell it and keep selling it. Okay, till you hit that income goal. Maybe it's $100,000, $200,000, $500,000. Keep going until you just keep going. Okay, until you hit that goal. Let me talk to your heart for a second. Okay, you have something in you right now that can help someone else, period. Okay, your life, your routines, your wins and lessons, someone is looking for what you know. You're not behind. You're not unqualified. You just need a simple strategy and someone to show you how to use it. That's what changed everything for me. And that's why I created these next steps for you. Ready to start your soft life business with done for you digital products as an option, and you want mentorship, an actual system that's already built for you to make you real income, start with Digital Profits U. Okay, because inside of Digital Profits U, you'll learn exactly how to launch your digital product business with ease, with strategy, with peace. Okay, so whether you use your own ideas or license the done for you course that we have, we're going to show you how to sell it online without stress. Okay, so I want you to click the link in my description to learn more. You'll get access to a 3-day soft life business starter kit, so it can give you more in depth on what you need to do to get started with your business. I'm telling you, I don't want you to be behind. We are in the best place right now when it comes to this online space. And those that show up and show up consistently, and those that, and it's not about you knowing everything, because I don't know everything. But what I'm going to do every day is show up, because I know I have something of value to share. I know that I have a gold mine in my hands, whether I'm writing and publishing mini her books, or even whether I'm creating digital products. I know that this is the way of the future. Okay. The way this world is shifting right now, yeah, you go ahead and get started. Build that digital business, that business that you can work from anywhere. You see why I work? I do most time I'm recording videos right here on a patio. Sometimes I'm in the living room at my desk. Sometimes I'm in my bedroom, sitting up recording content. This is a way of life now. It's a new way of life, and you got to get on it. Already have the value. Now let's package it, let's price it and position it to bless others and build your soft life. Because honey, one thing about Sharlrita Deloatch, I love living a soft life. I love having a soft business. I literally only work less than 4 hours a day. Sometimes it's just 4. Sometimes it's just 2. Sometimes it's just an hour. But that's a blessing to wake up, to sales, to money. But it did not happen overnight. I had to continue to show up even when I didn't make $1 the day before, because that's how much I feel about this space, especially with many her books, and especially now with digital products. Any woman can do this. You can do anything you put your mind to. Okay. So listen, I hope to see you in Digital Profits You. We have mentorship calls each and every Tuesday. All right. And as a bonus, you will get access to my Voxer chat. So you can chat with me every day. Okay. So imagine me being your coach in your pocket every day to help you, to help guide you, to give you encouragement. Absolutely. Okay. And not only that, I have a second bonus for you as well. I have a 22 guides. Okay. 22 guides that are already done for you. Add your name to them. They are chef kiss, valuable guides, and you can use them however you want in your business. You can sell the bundle if you want. You can take a couple. I took a couple of the guides and took them out and put them into my digital course in Profitable Publishers Collective. I put that in there, because I knew that would help my students. So you listen, stuff already done for you. You just gotta come in. Okay. And listen, it's only a one-time fee of $500. One time. It's $5.99. I'm sorry, I mistaken it. It's $5.99 one time. And you want a payment plan? We got Klarna, we got Afterpay. Listen, don't make these excuses. Okay, let's get it. All right. So listen, wind is blowing. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also hit that notification bell so you will actually get a notification when I upload a new video. Okay. I love that feature because I have that set for some videos. I love when I get those notifications that they have a new video because I enjoy their content. Okay. So if that's something you like, my content, my vibe, go ahead and get that done. Okay. So I'll see you in our next mentorship call in Digital Profits You. Until then, let's go. Let's get it. I got your back. See you in the next video. Bye.